Hi, my name is Tomas, and today I will demonstrate how to work with comments and chat while reviewing your documents. I will also show how to check the history of selected document. I mean, view the history of every change happened to that document. In addition, I will demonstrate how to create and set up a personal workflow substitution. Just a reminder, Navigator system allows you to transform almost any document to a paperless form and transform your company to a paperless office. For the purpose of today's presentation, I will use a demonstration environment called Fructon, a company that produces juices. Data and documents used during today's presentation are fake. They've been prepared for the purpose of today's presentation. Okay, I'm logged into the Navigator system as Zoe Roberts. And what I will do, I will just add the document in order to comment on that document or pass the document to another person and do all the activities I already mentioned. So starting from documents, let's say that will be a purchase document and a purchase invoice. So I'll add the new one. I will add an attachment, and let's say that will be the insurance January Allianz. So we have the document. I will click the OCR just to fill out the necessary information in order to start the workflow process. And yeah, this information was missing. I will save that. And I can, of course, submit and start or register the document right here, but I will just click the workflow to see the entire workflow and what is actually happening with that document. So submit. And what happened? Document requires the substantive control from Robert Gilman, so I need to log in as Robert Gilman. What I will do now, Robert Gilman, and log in. Okay, there are several documents pending on Robert's name, and that is the latest one. That's actually the one that I've uploaded, and yeah, I can again I can accept it, but what I can do, there are more options, and I will click more. I can comment on that document, I can consult the document or forward. So let's say Robert Gilman is not sure if they can postpone this payment to next month, so he will consult that with Anthony Hill and ask, can we that to the next month? Can we postpone that to the next month and consult? And it actually moved to Anthony Hill, so I will log in as Anthony Hill. Oh, excuse me, Anthony Hill, and log in. Again, the latest document. And workflow. So Robert Gilman asked Anthony Hill if they can postpone that to the next month, and he just replied, no, we can't, and reply. Okay, so again, Robert Gilman is a person who needs to either reject or accept that document. So Robert Gilman, log in, and it is the latest document. I will access from here. go to workflow, and still I won't, as Robert is still not sure, he won't accept that document, but he will forward that decision to Anthony Hill, as Anthony answered that no, they cannot move it to the next month, but Robert is still not feeling good with that decision, and he thinks if Anthony Hill really thinks that they cannot move it to the next month, he can just reject that document, so or accept that document. And I will pass that to Anthony Hill again, so forward that to Anthony Hill this time, not consult but forward, and ask then and comment then please please accept or reject that invoice, and forward. Okay, so right now Anthony Hill is responsible for that document, and I will. And actually, Anthony Hill thought a lot about that document, and he thinks it is okay to accept that document now. So he will accept that, and the document moved to the formal control to the people who work in the accounting department, so Taylor Oakley, Joe McNeil, Jason Miller, or Jake Edwards. But Anthony Hill thinks that he should comment in private to Zoe Roberts, so add Zoe Roberts, and comment I did accept that invoice. I did accept that invoice. So, and add the comment. What will happen? What will now happen on Zoe Roberts' desk or profile? I will log in as Zoe Roberts. And what happened? We have a notification here, up. And I will just click the notification, and I see Anthony Hill mark you in commentary of the document, in the so mark in the commentary of that document, and I see that Anthony Hill asked or informed me that he did accept that invoice. I can just see the workflow, and actually yes, from here I see and that Anthony did accept that. I see what happened before, that Robert Gilman comment on that document or sent it for consultation, then consultant finally transferred that to Robert Gilman, and now at the end of the workflow process we're just waiting the approval from the people from the accounting department. What else? Let's say Zoe won't reply from here, but just write on chat to Anthony Hill, that is fine. It is fine, and enter. Okay, so I will now log in as Anthony Hill to see if there is anything on the chat that comes to Anthony Hill. And yes, it is. It is right here from Zoe Roberts. The answer, it is fine, thanks. Okay, so Zoe at the same time will receive the answer. Thanks from Anthony Hill. Thank you for your time, and I would like to invite you to watch all the other tutorials where we'll introduce different functions of Business Navigator system.